Hi children, this is the most urgent circular sent by Central Board of Secondary Education only regarding to the grade 10 and grade 12 term 1 examination. This circular is sent on 6/12/2021. This Monday only they sent this circular to the principal and center superintendent examination center, okay, so control center. And then the main objective of this circular is change in the method of responses on OMR. Students want to change their responses in this OMR. That is the main objective they told, okay. Then we see this circular also, what are they told. So you all know we are giving the responses, you are giving the correct responses in the ABCD, okay, and as well as you want to share your answer in the OMR sheet. So two type of responses you give for the correct you give the answer. One is ABCD and another one is you want to share the correct option, okay. So these two types of responses you give. From this they want to change something because the evaluator has some problems, they have some confusion on that letter whatever you written, because all the one, some of them writing in cursive letter, some of them writing in normal letter, okay. They are all confusing what whether it is A or B or D, like that they have some confusion. So regarding to that, the CBSE announced from the 7th December 2021 to till the end of the exam, the students want to mark their option in capital A, B, C and D only, okay, as per the correct response. So when what are the option you feel that is the correct option, you want to mark in capital letter, okay, uppercase letter A, B, C and D. So this decision is also sent to the exam center center superintendent, okay. And then they want to announce this instruction to the students. A, B, C and D responses are must given in the letter A, capital A, B, C, D. Invigilators also need to check this at the invigilation time, and as well as each center they have some observer, okay. So that observer also want to check the student responses in their OMR sheet. And then the center superintendent and the principals also tell to the teacher, okay, who are all having invigilation duty. So the teachers also want to know about this. They must confirm, they check the students OMR sheet and give the instruction to the students to fill the OMR sheet in the capital letter only. So in case in any paper you want to write in capital letter only, normally we fill any form in capital letter only. According to that, this OMR answer, whatever responses you give, that responses also you given in the capital letter only, okay. Don't forget to do this, because from 7th onwards, from 7th means tomorrow, Tuesday onwards, whatever exam you have, you want to give your answer in the capital letter only, okay children. Thank you.